2025 Kia K5, brand spanking new, complete redesign on this Kia. We're just doing a custom axle back, guys. We got the mufflers out. Customer doesn't want it as aggressive as a muffler delete, so we replace it with vibrant bullets. Make it a little bit cleaner, a little bit smoother, and give you a little bit better back pressure. So basically a custom axle back. We're putting the stock tips back on, so it'll look pretty sweet. And you got these crazy, you know, square rectangle looking tips. Looks pretty badass out the bat. Like I said, it's the 2025 Kia K5, so completely redesigned. We're gonna drop it, show you guys what the interior looks like, see what they did with the complete redesign on the interior, as well as the exterior. You can see they've got the new lights, whole bumper diffuser setup, and I love what they did with the tips. They got a really nice cutout for the tips. And for the stock exhaust, we're keeping everything pretty much factory stock Y pipe. Like I said, we're putting 2 vibrant bullet resonators on the back for an axle back system, basically custom axle back. They do not make anything for this car as of yet. We're custom building it, guys. So stock Y pipe, 2.5-inch pipe all the way through. Got a resonator right here. The customer, like I said, didn't want it too loud, so we're leaving that as of now. And then later on, when we do the axle back, you can always come back and amplify the tone with the performance resonator up front as well. So, you know, if you did want it a little bit louder, you have a couple different options. You can do a straight muffler delete, which is just chopping off the rears. He liked it, but it was a little too aggressive for his taste. So we're doing the vibrance, and then, like I said, if you want to make it a little bit louder, you can delete the stock resonator or even replace that with a performance resonator as well. Another thing I recommend for these Kias that really wake them up is the air intake. The 24 and the 23 is the same exact engine. Not a redesign on that side of things, but complete redesign on the body and the interior. So this thing's about to get patched up. We're gonna weld it. Faco ruins everything. So we're about to weld everything up. He's mocking up the pipes as we speak. And like I said, custom vibrant axle back, Kia K5 2025. Got the brand new Kia K5 all done. Got the red paint job, candy paint. Got the green calipers, which is pretty sick. Looks like it comes factory like that, which is pretty cool. Got the Panamera roof, which is pretty sick, all glass. Completely redesigned. Got the Cadillac style lightning bolt tail headlights. Pretty sick. You see that lightning bolt? It's a Kia. It's super fast, guys. Kia K5. All right. Got the new redesigned front grille. Looks a little German, if you ask me. And then you got all this auto detection. So you got self-driving modes on this thing too, which is pretty sick. Comes with a factory lip. Does not. I can't even tell if that's aftermarket or not. You guys tell me in the comments if it is or not. But looks sick, man. Completely redesigned Kia K5. Let me show you the interior. Black interior, got the caliper matching stitching on the seats. That's why the calipers are green like that. Got the slime green paint. And then, like I said, completely redesigned. You can see the new dashboard, BMW style. Got the windshield wipers, they work pretty fine. And then you got this, full Panamera sunroof. Pretty sick. I mean, you can't beat that. You get a lot of stuff out of the Kias, man. And you get all the technology. You get self-driving modes. You got a new complete redesigned dashboard. Like I said, man, the interior on this is pretty pimp. You got the Bose. Shout out to Bose. Got the new tunes in there, and you got drive mode capability. So you got my drive, you got normal, and then you got sport. I'm gonna rev it for you guys. You let me know what you think. Brand new Kia K5, all done. Custom axle back, vibrant bullets in the back. Kept the factory tips and the factory resonator. Nice mild upgrade, nothing super loud. Customer didn't want it to scream, so we did a custom vibrant axle back, which is a perfect setup in my opinion for this car. Under 500 bucks, sounds great. Made some performance and sounds really great. So if you got a Kia, you're looking for something like that, shout out to Gexhaust, gexhaust.com, Gexhaust Davey. We're doing jobs like that all day, baby.